Ever wondered if changing your business address on LegalZoom is as straightforward as it seems, or if there are hidden pitfalls you should know about? You've built your dream business, perhaps registered it through LegalZoom, and now you're expanding, relocating, or simply moving your home office. This isn't just about updating a mailing address. It's about ensuring your business remains compliant, your legal documents are accurate, and your operations run smoothly. Missing a crucial step here could lead to bounced mail, missed legal notices, or even compliance issues that could cost you time and money down the line. So, how exactly do you navigate the process of updating your business address on LegalZoom? And what are the critical considerations to keep in mind? Changing your business address isn't a one-size-fits-all process. The steps you need to take depend heavily on your business structure. Are you a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or a corporation? Each has its own set of requirements and implications when it comes to an address change. For instance, a sole proprietor might have a simpler process involving just updating their mailing address with the relevant authorities, whereas an LLC or corporation will likely need to amend their formation documents with the state. This is where LegalZoom comes in. They can help streamline this process, but it's vital to understand what they do and don't cover. Let's start with the most common scenario: an LLC or corporation. If you're operating as an LLC or a corporation, your registered agent address is paramount. This isn't just any address. It's the official physical address where your business receives legal and tax documents. It's the address that's publicly listed with the state. If this address changes, it's not a matter of simply forwarding mail. You must formally update it with the Secretary of State in the state where your business is registered. LegalZoom offers services to help facilitate this. When you log into your LegalZoom account, you'll typically find an option under your business services or order history that allows for amendments. This is where you'll initiate the change for your registered agent address. LegalZoom will then prepare and file the necessary amendment forms with the state on your behalf. This usually involves filing an amendment to Articles of Organization for an LLC or amendment to Articles of Incorporation for a corporation. However, it's crucial to distinguish between your registered agent address and your principal business address. Your principal business address is where your main operations are conducted, or your primary mailing address. While often the same as the registered agent address, they can be different. If you're just changing your principal business address and not your registered agent, the process might be simpler, often just requiring an update within your LegalZoom account profile or with other relevant government agencies like the IRS for tax purposes. LegalZoom can often help update your general business profile, but they generally don't file specific forms for principal business address changes unless it also impacts your registered agent. Now, what if you're a sole proprietor? The process is considerably less formal. As a sole proprietor, your business is inextricably linked to you as an individual. Therefore, changing your address primarily involves updating your personal address with the IRS, your bank, and any other relevant entities where your business is registered, such as local licensing boards if you have them. LegalZoom services for sole proprietorships are more about business formation and less about ongoing compliance updates like address changes. As there aren't typically articles of organization to amend, you would primarily manage these updates yourself with the various government agencies. Regardless of your business structure, there are several crucial ancillary steps you must take in addition to updating your address with LegalZoom or the state. First and foremost, inform the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. For most businesses, this involves updating your address for your Employer Identification Number, EIN. The IRS has specific forms for this, such as Form 8822B for businesses. Failing to update your address with the IRS can lead to missed tax notices, penalties, and significant headaches. Next, notify your bank and any other financial institutions. Your business bank accounts, lines of credit, and merchant services accounts all need to reflect your current address. This prevents any banking disruptions and ensures you receive important financial statements and communications. Don't forget your business licenses and permits. Many businesses require local, county, or state licenses to operate. These licenses often have an address tied to them, and if you move, you'll need to update them or potentially apply for new ones in your new jurisdiction. This is a common pitfall that businesses overlook, and it can lead to non-compliance fines. While LegalZoom can help with initial license research and application, the ongoing maintenance and updating of these licenses are typically your responsibility. Consider your suppliers, vendors, and customers. It's professional courtesy and good business practice to inform everyone you regularly interact with about your new address. This ensures smooth operations, uninterrupted deliveries, and consistent communication. Update your website, social media profiles, business cards, and any other marketing materials with your new address to avoid confusion. What about if you're moving to an entirely new state? This is a much more complex scenario than simply changing your address within the same state. If you're moving your principal place of business and want to continue operating as an LLC or corporation in the new state, you'll likely need to domesticate your business in the new state or form a new entity in the new state and dissolve the old one. This involves filing new formation documents in the new state and potentially registering as a foreign entity in your original state if you plan to maintain any presence there. LegalZoom offers services for forming new entities and can guide you through the process of foreign qualification, which is necessary if you continue to operate in your original state while being headquartered elsewhere. This process is significantly more involved and often requires careful planning to avoid tax and legal complications. A common question that arises is, can I use a P.O. box for my registered agent address? The answer in almost all states is no. A registered agent address must be a physical street address. This is because the registered agent's purpose is to be available during normal business hours to receive service of process. Essentially, legal documents. P.O. box cannot fulfill this requirement. However, you can typically use a P.O. box for your principal business address or mailing address, as long as it's not the designated registered agent address. Finally, always keep meticulous records of your address changes. Document the dates you updated your address with LegalZoom, the state, the IRS, your bank, and any other relevant entities. Keep copies of all filed documents and confirmation notices. This paper trail will be invaluable if any questions or discrepancies arise in the future. LegalZoom often provides digital copies of filed documents, so ensure you download and store them securely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.